Mr. Leo was a busy businessman. He always looked at his watch. Meetings, deadlines, calls, and work. He thought time was only for success. One morning, while getting ready for work, his old watch fell from the table and stopped ticking. It was the watch his father gave him years ago. Mr. Leo sighed and put it away. No time to fix it, he said. Days turned into weeks, and his life stayed busy. He barely called his family or met his friends. One evening, his little daughter came to him and said, "Dad, can we play?" "Not now," he replied. "Maybe later," but later never came. One day, he found the old watch again in his drawer. He took it to a repair shop. The old man there smiled and said, "This is a fine watch. It only needs a new battery, just a little time to work again." When the watch started ticking, Mr. Leo stared at it for a long time. He realized he had been running after success, but losing moments with the people he loved. That evening, he went home early. He sat with his wife and daughter. They laughed, ate dinner, and told stories. His daughter smiled. "You finally have time, Dad." Mr. Leo looked at his watch and smiled back. "Yes," he said, "and I'm never wasting it again."